welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of March, and I'm gonna go over my budget with you guys this paycheck. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I already broke down the amounts that's going inside each envelope, which I'm using my paycheck envelope breakdown template. So I'm actually working on this. This is my financial outline. This is basically an outline of where my money coming in, where it's going. So I have the income, the fixed / variable expenses envelopes, and my boss up section. So I also got my bonus check this week. So I got paid $1,261 for my job, and Amazon paid me this amount, and this is my total amount that I brought in this week. So my bills is my insurance, utilities, and Netflix that's due. So the insurance is going to be taken out of this paycheck. My utilities, I have an envelope for that, so I will be taking that money out of my envelopes, and Netflix will be taken out of this paycheck. So the total amount of expenses that's taken out this paycheck is $215.11. my remaining balance is $1,202. And here is my envelopes. So here's my cash envelopes, my sinking funds, the total amount and the remaining amount after I stuff all my envelopes. So I have $262.43 left. So the amount that's going towards saving is $66.16, and the rest will go towards investing. So right here is electronic funds transfer. So basically this is the boss up section. This means like you paying extra towards debt, extra putting aside more money towards savings, investing, or any business move, any boss moves, guys. That's boss moves right there. So the remaining balance after is 0. Alright, so here is my envelopes breakdown, and we're gonna work with my cash breakdown card. So this card, guys, you take to the teller to get the exact bills, the exact denominations you need to stuff your envelopes. So we're gonna do this real quick. So utilities, this week I'm gonna actually put 20, and a 10, so that's $50. Groceries, I'm gonna do 2 50s, that's 100, 20, 40. And then gas is gonna get $60, and I always do it in 20, so 20, 40, 60. Giving isn't getting anything. Spending is getting as usual 20. Beauty is getting $15, and the total amount will be $940 we will be withdrawing from the bank. So starting out with utilities is getting $50, so 20, 40, 50. Onto our cash envelopes. So in groceries, we have some money left. We have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, $27. So you guys already know this 10 is going to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with that $10. These 5 is just going into my $5 saving jar, and these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank. And groceries is getting $140, and you guys, I'm gonna start budgeting $140 for groceries from now on. So that's $140. Next is gas, and we do have some money left in gas also. We have $10, and this 10 is going to the side, and gas is getting 60, so 20, 40, 60. Next is spending, and we have $3 left in spending, and these $3 is going into my kids' piggy bank, and spending is getting 20. Next is beauty, and beauty is getting $15. Giving isn't getting stuff, and my $5 saving challenge. Let's see how many fives we accumulated. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 in my $5 saving challenge. So you guys already know these fives is also going into my $5 saving jar. Alright guys, onto our sinking funds. So starting off with my kids' savings first, Lanesia is getting her usual $25. So 20 and a 5. So Lanesia has 1,000, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 300, 25, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40. $3,340. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting 25. So 20 and a 5. Has 1, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 25, 30. So Jaden has $2,930 bucks. Next is Vacation, and Vacation is getting $15. 10 and a 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 65, 70, 85. So we have a 785 in Vacation. Family Time is getting $10. So we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 55, 65. So 265. And clothing is getting 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 45, 46, 47, 48. So we have $448. Alright guys, so onto our blue binder. Alright, so emergency fund is getting $50, and you guys know I'm starting to stuff my emergency fund again. So we have 1,050 in our emergency fund. I'm gonna try to stuff this $50 each week. So next is home remodel, and home remodel is getting 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we have $880. Car maintenance is getting 100 also. And in car maintenance we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 30. So $1,630. Debt snowball is getting 100. So we now have $240. Health is getting 20. And we now have 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 55. So $255. Alright guys, so on to my savings challenge. My savings challenge is getting $85 this week. So 85. So 50, 70, 80, and a 5. Next is my boyfriend's savings challenge, and he is stuffing $60. So 20, 40, 60. Alright guys, onto my pink binder. Alright, so my savings is getting $50. So we now at 1, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 4,025. So you guys, we finally hit $4,025. So my next update sinking funds video, you guys gonna see me allocate this 1,000 to the bank, and I'm gonna put in a 1K slip. So Christmas, oh wait, my Jenny envelope, you guys. So we got $20 from last week, the leftover money from last week, and that's going into my Jenny envelope. In my Jenny envelope, I use this money to invest in the stock market. Next is Christmas, and Christmas is getting $30. So 20 and a 10. And in Christmas, we now have 1, 2, 350, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 264, 65. So we add 465 for Christmas. Next is back to school, and at $10. So we add 100, 10, 15, 20. So that's 120. And last is gifts, and gifts is getting $15. So 10 and a 5. So in gifts we have 1, 250, 300, 10, 20, 35, 45. So that's 345 in our gifts envelope. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.